These are your words to know for lesson 25. We're going to be reading a story called The New Friend, and these are words that you are going to see as you read them. They will be highlighted just like they are on our context cards. So we're going to read through our 8 words to know, and I'd like you to read the blue word with me and then the sentence under the blue word. Then I'll tell you what it means, and then when I ask you the how to use it and talk it over questions, I'd like you to pause the video after each one and have a short discussion with your learning adult at home. This will make the word connect with you and have it more meaning for you, okay? So read the blue word with me. City. They moved to the city from the country. A city is a place where many people live and work. My family moved from the country to the city. What kinds of buildings would you see in a big city? Describe them. The city and the country are alike in some ways and different in others. You can copy the diagram on another sheet of paper, or you can just discuss where you would put the things about the city and things about the country, and then where you'd write the things about both. Read with me. Myself. I took the box into the house all by myself. Myself is a word you can use when you're talking about you. I cannot go to the store by myself. How do you feel when you say, I did it myself? When you were young, your parents had to help you do things. But now, you can do many of these things by yourself. Talk to your learning adult about each of the things in the list below that you can do yourself. Read with me. School. He met many new friends at school. A school is a place where you go to learn. There is no school on Sunday. What is your favorite subject in school? Work with your learning adult and describe which of these words would go with the word school, and trace a line with your finger from those words to the word school. Party. They had a party for their new classmate. A party is a gathering of people who are together to have a good time or to celebrate something. There were 10 people at John's party. What kinds of things do you see at a party? Think of something you would like to celebrate with a party and talk with your learning adult about the party that you'd like to have. Seven. She will bring 7 apples to school. 7 is the number that is 1 more than 6. 7 is the number of days in 1 week. Now, what are some good and bad things about being 7 years old? Work with your learning adult and read the words below. Decide which things are more than 7 and which are less than 7. Buy. She will buy a plant for her friend. Buy means to give money to get something. Francis is going to buy a new bicycle. Now, if you could buy your family one special thing, what would it be and why? Jay has a pet store. You're going to take out a piece of paper and make a sign for Jay's store that would make people want to come in and buy something. And then talk about your sign with your learning adult. Please. Please play with us, they said. Please is a word that you use to ask nicely. Please pass the peas. When is it a good time to say please? Read the sentences in the first column with your learning adult. Each sentence has the word please. Then read the second column and match each sentence with the person who said it. Read it with me. Family. They invited the family to come in. Family means a parent, parents, or guardian and their children. The woman took a picture of my family. Who are the people in your family? Think about your family. If you wanted to make a picture album of your family, whose picture would you put in it? You can use a web like the one below and fill it in, or just discuss who are the members of your family. Let's continue working with these words to know in your reader's notebook, page 139. You're going to draw a line to match each picture to the word that goes with it. So you're going to look at this picture. Is this family, school, party, city, by, or myself? If you look carefully, it looks like these kids are having a party. So you're going to draw a line to the word party. You're going to do that for the rest of these pictures, and then you're going to use the words 7 and please together in a sentence and write it on the line below.